Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making delicious, easy Yorkshire pudding. Traditionally British. It goes delicious with a roast and you can pop in some gravy on it. It's just delicious. So worth a try. I'll show you a nice, easy way how to make it. So let's get started. First things first, you're going to get yourself a bowl and 3 large eggs and just crack them into your bowl. Oopsie. And now you're going to sift 100 grams of flour into your bowl. You're going to add in a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. I'm just going to throw in a bit of pink Himalayan salt, my salt of choice. Last but not least, we're going to add in 225 ml of milk. Just pour that into your mixture. Next, you're going to give this a good mix. You could use a hand mixer or a whisk. Just mix this up nicely so all your ingredients can combine. In the meantime, we are preheating our oven to 220 degrees Celsius for our next step. Now we're going to transfer our batter into a little jug that we can pour into our muffin pan much easier. So we're going to do that now. As you can see, I've moved my batter into a jug and we are going to move on to our next step. Get yourself a 12 bun muffin tray and find a good cooking oil. You can use vegetable oil, but I suggest using coconut oil. It has the highest burn count, so it's just my recommendation. You can use any oil that you like. So you need a teaspoon of oil into each little muffin slot. Ooh, there we go. Extra little cupcake molds just in case we have too much batter, so I just thought just in case so we don't waste our batter. Okay, all done. At this point we are going to put our muffin pan into the oven for 5 to 10 minutes and your oven should be at 220 degrees Celsius. We want your oil nice and hot, so let's go and do that. I've just taken out the muffin pan out the oven, been in there for about 10 minutes. So we're going to just carefully pour our batter into a muffin mix. Oops, it's bubbling over. And now we're going to pop it back into the oven to cook for 20 to 25 minutes. I've just taken the Yorkshire pudding out the oven. You can put it in for 20 to 25 minutes. I should have taken it out a little bit earlier, but I'm very happy with them. I hope you give this recipe a try. Here's a little tip. Yorkshire puddings can be made completely ahead of time and reheated in a hot oven for about 8 minutes. The batter can be made up to 2 hours ahead. The cooked puddings can be frozen and cooked from frozen in a preheated oven for about 10 minutes. As long as you get your oil piping hot, that's most important. And as soon as the batter is poured in it, it'll set and start to cook, giving you crisp, well-risen puds. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Please subscribe, follow us on social media, and I hope to see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye guys. I hope you enjoyed that recipe. If you did, give it a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, subscribe, follow me on social media, and I'd love to see your creations. Send me a pic, Instagram, on Twitter, on YouTube. Let me know. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.